Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you on how to restore Snapchat streak, and all you have to do is to launch the Snapchat application. And from here, in the case that you have paid for the Snapchat Plus, you will be able to restore only 5 streaks for free. But in the case that you do not have, I would suggest that you head on over to your web browser and search for Aditya Gyan. You're going to tap on this website, and from here you're going to search for how to start a streak, and from here you're going to scroll down until you see an option that he has something that he's called a form. Here at what is a snap streak, tap on read more, then you're going to scroll down until you see a form, which is this one. You're going to tap on it. You're going to fill out your information, and going to make sure that you've tapped on this option. And then once you scroll down, you're going to fill out your information, and from there you're going to be able to restore any Snapchat streak. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.